Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Is the mic TRRS, or Lightning? Once done, attach the correct adapter immediately so signals match. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and the recording app is open, because apps often select inputs on launch. Clip the lavalier 6 to 8 inches from your mouth, facing the capsule toward your lips so you capture clear, direct sound. These steps reduce handling noise and prevent common connection errors before you move on to testing levels. Once connected, you need to verify levels. Enable the input meter in your recording app and speak at your intended volume while watching for peaks above -6 dB. If you see clipping, lower gain or move the mic slightly away. Make sure to mount a foam windscreen to reduce plosives and create a small cable loop or tape near the clip to prevent tug noise. If your adapter or preamp has gain control, start at 0 and raise it gradually until the meter sits comfortably below clipping. You finish by doing a short walk-in talk. Move your head and body to reproduce any rubbing or intermittent dropouts so you can fix placement. If the iPhone fails to detect the mic, make sure the connector is fully seated. Then restart the app or the phone, because iOS sometimes locks input selection on launch. If problems persist, swap the adapter or test the mic on another device to isolate cable versus hardware faults. This step tells you whether to replace an adapter, mic, or app setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.